Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to register as self-employed in the UK. This is helpful because it officially registers you as a sole trader with HMRC and sets you up for self-assessment. So use the link in the description or pinned comment, then click start now. You can usually need to register if you earn over €1,000 in a tax a year. Before you start, make sure you have your national insurance number. Now follow these steps. Number one, reason for self-assessment. So choose self-employed or the option that matches you. And then next, if it's your first time, select no, I'm registering for the first time. And number two, create your sign-in government gateway. Enter your email, type the confirmation code, add your name, create a password, and save your government gateway ID. Also set up security using a authenticator app, scan the QR code, enter the 6-digit code, and then continue. Number three, go to self-assessment. Pick self-assessment for individuals. If it asks for a UTR and you don't have one, choose no. Select individual, then continue. Enter your details plus verify identify. Enter your details plus verify identity. Add your name, date of birth, and NI number. For the fraud check, choose the welcome to gov.uk ID check app. Then follow the prompts on your phone, password questions, device type, etc. Number five, register as a sole trader. Choose self-employed sole trader, enter your start date, answer the yes/no questions, then fill in your address, contact details, and a short description of your work. Confirm your business address and phone number. Number six, submit. Choose the role you're completing the registration in. So most people pick the first option, agree to the declaration, sign in again with your gateway ID and authenticator code, then submit. You should see a success message. HMRC usually takes about a week to process it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.